People are always trying to break habits. Doesn't that sound hard? I don't want you to break your routines. I want you to replace your routines. Some of our routines, some of our habits have been in us since we were little. That is in us, you guys. That is in you. So here's the thing about habits. They will rear their ugly heads. They will come back. Our habit comes back and we're like, oh yeah, that's how I used to do stuff. This is how I do it now. You create that self-awareness. So you know when the habit the old habit rears its ugly head, we're not gonna reinforce that. We're gonna say, no, I've replaced you. Thank you. Thanks for reminding me how I used to do things. So you're not breaking it. This is there, but you're replacing it.